How to turn on or turn off haptics or vibrations for incoming calls on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Ringtone, and then select a SIM card. Next, we go to the top, and then tap on Haptics. Now to turn off vibration, go down to the bottom and select None. If you want to turn on vibration for the incoming calls, then simply select a synchronized vibration. As soon as you select an option, you will feel your phone give you a preview of the vibration pattern. So here we got alert, which is a longer vibration than a synchronized vibration. Here you got the accent, heartbeat, quick. So it gives a quick vibration or rapid vibrations. And that's it. So select one of a vibration patterns or simply choose none to turn it off. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.